How to add a promotion on LinkedIn. In this tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to add promotion on LinkedIn. First thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your LinkedIn on your web browser. Then you can just go ahead and click on the experience tab right here. You can just add an experience. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and click on the Me section and click on View Profile. Then you can just scroll down here until you find experience. So if you have already added your experience, that's all right. So what you can do is click on Add Experience. Now all you have to do here is add the title of your new position. So you can just add something like, let's say, manager or project manager, whatever it is. Select your employment type. Let's say if it's full-time. Now, this is an important part. So whatever you have entered before on your job title, the company name should be the same so that it's going to show as a promotion. So what I'm going to do is just add a random company name for myself. And then what you can do is just go ahead and click on Save for now. Select your month and then year. So let's say if it was back in 2024, click on Save. Once you've saved your job title, then you can just go ahead and view it right here down below. So it will show you your experience. Now, all you have to do is click on Add a new job title, Add Position. Then do the same thing, just search for the title. Let's say if it's now Administrative Assistant. So just tap on it, then select the same company. Then select your date. So it should be a bit different. Let's say if it's 1 year later, tap on Save. And what you want to do is click on this right here and current position. So that's what you have to do. Click on Edit, go to edit this one. And then from there, you can just click on Add and current position as of now. And tap on Save, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. That's how you add a promotion on LinkedIn. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.